Hey G Squad, welcome back to an episode of Is It Worth It? So for today's episode, I want to talk about this product right here in my hand. If you guys can see, pretty much what it is a wireless earbud that I've tested in the past and I made a video about this. But this time I want to do an update video to talk about this product, of how it's been and everything. So when I first got this product, I had issue connecting with my brand new iPhone 11 Pro because the product was not synced with the brand new phone yet at the time. But with the brand new update and system update on the new iPhone, now it works, so I was actually able to kind of test it out and use it. Before the update, I was actually using it on my older iPhone and also on my computer, and it had no issue, but the new phone was having issues. So after using this product for more than a month, how is it? How's the performance, how's the battery life, and how's everything about it? Both the audio and the bass balance out each other pretty well to the point where it's not too strong for one thing or the other. In terms of the connection, I had some issue connecting it because when I took it out from the case right here, as you see, it was working fine. But then when I started using my finger to kind of like manually close it and manually open it, it didn't recognize the device and I had to start doing it manually instead of automatically pairing and everything. So that's one thing to kind of consider on here. Not sure if I did something to it or just the way it's built, it's not recognizing it as well as supposed to. But that's not a big issue because I'd rather have it manually turn on and off instead of having it automatically, because if it does automatically all the time and you guys can't turn it on manually, you guys won't be able to use it and you guys are pretty much screwed. The fit of the product is pretty good. If you guys use it for too long or something, I started having some issues where it actually kind of hurt my ear a little bit, but not something that I didn't expect because a lot of these earbuds where it has the silicone tip or rubber tip on the earbuds has that same issue where either it gets a little bit loose or it starts hurting a little bit because of the design and everything. This one doesn't hurt my ear as much as like other earbuds or earphones that I've tested in the past, especially like even in the AirPods Pro. These actually fit better and feel better than the AirPods Pro, but then the overall design and what you guys get out of the AirPods Pro is actually better than this. Also, one thing that I want to mention about this product is the fact of the Bluetooth range on this product. Typical Bluetooth headphones in general, the range is up to like 33 feet or something like that. This one is 65 or 66 feet, which is actually really far. So I was actually able to use this from like one hallway all the way to another hallway or like to room to room, and you guys can still listen to the music. So that's actually really cool because the Bluetooth range on this product is longer than a lot of products that I've tested in the past. Next thing, the microphone. How well does the microphone work when you guys are making calls and everything? The audio is actually really clear when you guys make calls and everything. The only issue that I kind of have when I was testing out the mic is the fact that it has like a low echo when you guys are making calls and everything. So that's definitely one thing to consider if you guys are trying to get this headphone. But the audio is actually really clear. You guys can hear the other person really clearly. It's just that small little echo when you guys are making the calls or whatever. And then last but not least, the battery life for this product. How is it? So when I first opened the package and everything to show you guys how it works and everything, it says the battery life is up to 25 hours, and they didn't lie. So when I actually tested out for more than like 2 weeks or 1 week for whatever, for one full test to see how long it'll last until I need to charge it, I didn't need to charge it until like more than a week. So the 25 hours that they mentioned on here is what they promised. So now that we talked about the product and kind of give you guys an update about the product, now to answer the question of whether or not it's actually still worth it or not. So there are definitely other headphones in the market that cost cheaper, but the thing about those versus this one is the fact that you guys actually get a higher quality product on here. Battery life is actually longer than a lot of earbuds I've tested. I'm not saying this is the best one out there, but there are better options out there if you guys are trying to look for something different. But what you guys are paying for on this product is actually really nice. The secure ear tips on the earbuds that won't fall out. Really clear audio when you guys are listening to music. Really strong audio and bass when you guys are listening to music. The microphone audio is pretty good as well, just that small little echo if you guys don't mind. Battery life is amazing as well. The overall design of the product is really nice, where it actually protects the earbuds when you guys kind of open it up and everything, so that's pretty cool. And then it uses Bluetooth 5.0, so you guys won't have to worry about like lost connection or takes a long time to pair and everything. It actually pairs really fast, and because of the new system update and everything on the new iPhone, this one works with any kind of phone regardless of what you have. So Samsung, iPhone, desktop, laptops, whatever the case may be, it all works. So that's pretty much all the updates I have about this product. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys did, then make sure to subscribe, like, and comment down below. And if you guys like this video and you guys want to see more, then make sure to click on that bell notification in the bottom to be notified of brand new videos that will be coming up in the future. But as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace. And then for today's G Squad fan shout out day, we have